So for those of you who used last night's game plan, you should have had a phenomenal green day. In terms of Team Roar, we ended up going 8 for 8 on the day, a 100% success rate. The first trade on the day was SPY call options over a 100% profit return during the market open trade. I'm going to be breaking down all the trades that we made towards the end of this video. First things first, let's get straight into the newly updated price action analysis. So in terms of the overall SPY, in last night's video, I made it very, very clear that 590 was going to be the best level to be trading at. The 590 level did end up playing out during the pre-market trading session, right? In terms of how it played out, you can see it was reacting as strong support for several hours, and then it formed the green, red, green bullish pattern, higher support, break, retest, right? So like I said, inside of Team Roar, we ended up buying these SPY call options. You're going to see right here, 595 SPY calls for 56 cents, adding to the winners to double the gains, adding to the wins to triple the gains, right? And then in terms of this trade, this was over a 100% profit return at the speed of light. And then we did end up having 7 more wins after that. I'll be going over that towards the end of this video. But like I said, man, losing is just a personal fucking choice. In terms of SPY, man, this is so fucking simple. We're looking for an opportunity for puts and then an opportunity for calls. So right now, we are in the put zone. In terms of the overall SPY, these are going to be the main levels that I'm going to be eyeing for put options. So as of now, we're looking for an opportunity for puts towards the upper levels. And then in terms of calls, we're going to be looking for lower levels. There's going to be 2 potential plays heading into tomorrow for puts and calls, right? Going to be eyeing puts first if we're towards the higher levels. So the overall zone that I'm looking at is going to be this extended hours resistance that has not been tested during the normal trading hours, which is going to be right around this 597 mid to 598 level. So that's going to be your considered one of your best levels for puts heading into tomorrow. And then this is going to be the breakdown and retest level right around here. This 596 to 595 mid zone. If the SPY starts going below that, spiking back up, forming lower highs, forming resistance, then that's going to be the key zone to be buying put options on the SPY in terms of the breakdown and retest. And then once the SPY tests this level during normal trading hours, it's very, very likely that we drop first, meaning once we do go to 598, it's very, very likely that, those 598 puts that go out of the money as SPY is going above 598, and also the 597 puts that are out of the money are likely going to go back in the money. The most likely outcome would be a drop first from that overall range within some time if you held the puts. So keep your eyes on that. In terms of levels above 598, right? I mean, based off the pattern that I'm seeing, it's saying we're mainly going to, top around towards that zone. But just in case we do have a break and retest above 598 and reacts to support, in terms of the price ladder, the next level the SPY would be going to is going to be, 600. 600 would be the next level. Next level above that is going to be 603. If we were to go back throughout the 180-day, 30-minute chart, just to be more precise in terms of like exact levels and strategies, not just using the daily chart, you're going to see, 603 is a very, very special level. 600, it's just this key resistance that has already been tested in a sense very, very closely, but it's a nice whole round number, right? But this 603, this is going to be a special level for puts as well. This is a breakdown and retest resistance during pre-market that was not tested during overall normal trading hours towards the 603.70. But yes, 600 to 603 would be the next levels in the price ladder if 598 were to react to support. Now, in terms of the levels for calls, right? In terms of calls, is going to be on break and retest levels. So, previous closing price is at 596. In terms of break and retest levels that have not been tested in a sense, is going to be right around this zone. This is going to be one of the overall call zones, is going to be right around here. So the zone is going to be this resistance right here at 593.50, and then this resistance right here at 594.50. This 1 point zone If you're seeing bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, the green, red, green pattern, overall floor in between this zone, you're going to want to be buying call options. Some lower levels to keep an eye on as well. 592, another break and retest level to be buying call options on. This is a phenomenal level. This 591 to 590.50. So those are going to be your call zones heading into tomorrow, right? So use the levels, use this game plan. You're going to print at the speed of fucking light. Same way you should have printed if you use last night's game plan, you know? If you guys watch the game plan, like I'm well aware, 590 was the level. It played out during the pre-market. You can literally use if you wanted to, you could trade futures in the pre-market. You could use prop firm brokers with that, trade during the pre-market. You're going to see a lot of the times that a lot of my game plans, they play out during extended hours trading session, right? But that doesn't stop us, the best zero-day option traders on the fucking planet. It doesn't stop us from buying, calls at a higher fucking level and adding to the wins, not just once, but twice to triple the fucking gains, right? It didn't stop us, in terms of SPY, literally trading at 592.50, 2.5 points above the buy zone. Doesn't stop us from, trading the fucking trend, using the fucking game plans, and literally buying 595 calls, 56 cents a contract, adding to wins to double the wins, right? Like I tell you with our real-time zero-day options trading alert system, we add to wins to double to triple the wins. We set profit stops to ensure that we don't go green to red and to protect the new, position size, the added on position that we put into the overall trade, right? I tell you all the time that when we win, we tend to win big. So we quickly add to the fucking winners to double, triple the gains, and then we set the fucking profit stops. And when you join Team fucking Roar, you're going to see that the market open trades are green nearly every single fucking morning. And if not, the power hour trading session gets you back from red to green and even more fucking green because the power hour trading session, the gains are so fucking massive. So as you can see, man, adding, tripling the fucking position size, in terms of how that played out, this was fucking amazing. That's 100% plus return, and you could have tripled your gains by adding to the winners twice there, right? This morning play was very, very green enough to walk away where you don't have to keep on trading. Now, if you do choose to keep on winning, we don't even call it trading anymore. This is really just winning. If you do choose to keep on fucking winning, then the most you risk is 25 to 50% of your fucking wins, right? Because if you keep on winning and then you have a loss and you give back some gains, then you don't want to go green to red on the day, right? You got to make the day count. So with that being said, you just risk 25 to 50% of your gains. And if you give that back, then just stop trading. You've hit your peak for the day and then you're done, right? So, this was the morning play right here. 595 calls, 56 cents. Added at 52 cents, added at 53 cents, added at 47 cents. That's 3 fucking ads. Do you understand? And then we sold that in the money at 104 cents, all in real fucking time. So, like I said, I don't know what you guys did with last night's game plan, but this is what we did inside of Team fucking Roar. It's not just the 100% fucking return, it's adding 3 fucking times, which triples the fucking gains, So if you bought one fucking contract at 50 fucking cents, multiply by 100, 50 fucking dollars in a contract, sell it at fucking $100, you made a $50 profit. If you added one contract, that's another $150 profit. You're up $200 in fucking profits. So losing is a personal fucking choice. All we do is go green, non-fucking stop. Look what you could have done by adding to the fucking gains. So that was the morning fucking trade. It just goes to show you that losing is a personal fucking choice. Look at the next trade, 12:31 p.m. 5995 SPX calls for 165 cents. Who do you know is not only trading SPY, but SPX and winning non-fucking stop? Who do you know is giving you the best game plan within the market to make money, to be self-sufficient, to use the curriculum so you can fucking print and become self-sufficient before you even join our group, join our community? If you use last night's game plan, you should be green as fuck. I mean, this is what we're doing. 5995 SPX calls 165 cents, 210 cents. They went up 50 fucking cents a contract, right? Everybody knows when we're up 10% plus, set a fucking profit stop. You set a profit stop, you're not going to go green to red, you're going to get profit stopped out. You move the profit stop up higher. If the trade has if the market has a big fluctuation against your trade, you get profit stopped out where you moved your profit stop. So in terms of the next trade, 597 calls for 55 cents. Add to the fucking winners. As you can see, calls 73 cents, right? So quickly added to the winners, doubling the fucking gains. 55 cents to 73 cents. That's your third win in a row. Next trade, 595 SPY puts. As you can see, we don't just trade one way. We trade both fucking ways, right? We trade the trend, scalp the trend as well, scalp against the trend as well. 595 SPY puts for 40 cents. And then at the speed of fucking light, 41, 53, 65, and then as you can see, 88. Printed like fucking crazy. Puts up 41 cents. Who do you know is winning this fucking much? Absolutely fucking nobody. We are printing non-fucking stop. We are the absolute fucking best. Look at the fucking results. Puts from fucking 20 to fucking 88. So that's another phenomenal fucking play, man. Just add up all the percentage gains combined. On our best days, it yields to many, many wins into multiple 1,000% profit returns, making losing a personal choice. So in terms of this overall trade, you're going to see right here, this is where we ended up buying 595 SPY puts. This is where we ended up adding. As soon as we fucking added, SPY fucking collapsed to the fucking VWAP. And then we ended up exiting at 83 cents. We were in at 40 cents. That's a 100% plus profit return. Adding to the wins doubles the fucking gains. Losing is a personal fucking choice. There is not another secured private organization out there that has a real-time zero-date options trade alert system that prints at the speed of fucking light, backed by multimillionaires, backed by the largest zero-date options trade alert community on the fucking planet. With that being said, in terms of that, that's 4 for fucking 4. Unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing. In terms of the next trade, you're going to see 5960 SPX puts for 90 cents a contract. These quickly went to 145 cents a contract. That's over a 50% profit return at the speed of fucking light. Now, in terms of the next fucking win, 5965 SPX puts for 125 cents at 3:41 p.m. And then as you can see, these puts went from 125, 130, 145. These are the quotes moving in real fucking time all the way to 225. 125 to 225, nearly a 100% gain. And then as you can see right here at 3:46 p.m., 5955 SPX puts for 45 cents. These puts went from 45 fucking cents all the fucking way, as you can see right here. Look at these fucking trades, man. Look at this. 5955 SPX puts for 45 cents, right? You go to 5955 SPX puts 45 cents, straight to fucking 115. Another 100% plus profit return. And then right here at 3:53 p.m., 5975 SPX calls for 90 cents. 100, 115, 155, and then as you can see, this fucking trade printed. So every single fucking trade worked. Losing is a personal fucking choice. If you are serious about making money and trading alongside us, is going to be the first link down below within the description. You gain access to our trades, and you also gain access to our community, our secured private network, where you can trade alongside us. You can chat and network with the members. And you're going to see there's many members who've been with us, hundreds of members who've been with us for over 2 years who are making $500 to $1,000 a day. And you're going to see multimillionaires in here, and you're going to see traders who have a lot of experience in here. You can trade alongside them. You can network with them. A lot of people share their analysis, share some trades as well. And you're going to see, man, it's unlimited fucking winning and it's unlimited fucking printing. And you're going to see we're the absolute best zero-date options trade alert community and options trade alert system on the fucking planet. Nobody has a system like we have, like we've created. Nobody is printing as much as we are. It's unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. So, like I said, man, if you want to join, if you want to print, if you want to fucking win non-fucking stop, is the first link down below within the description. I see the same members. So here we go again. Like it happens all the fucking time. Like $2,500 profit, 75% profit return, SPX puts. Do you know how many fucking members we have that are making trades where they're making thousands of dollars and we charge a small monthly fee. You know, there's a reason why 90% of our clientele chooses to stay every single fucking month, because they see the value and they fucking print and they fucking win. It's unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing, right? Only 10% of our clients leave per month, which is the lowest churn rate in terms of the industry that we're in. That's an extremely low churn rate. Now, like I said, man, if you're serious about making money, is the first link down below within the description. It's unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing. I see it nonstop. Members posting $500 gains, $2,000 gains, fucking just unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, man. It's the first link down below within the description if you would like to trade alongside us. Now, with that being said, you know, just to give you one more just quick brief overview of the SPY. I already explained to you levels for calls, levels for puts, just to give you the quick price ladder we got going on here. So, I mean, I'll give you the full ladder towards the end for those of you who stay to the end. And if you do want to trade alongside us and join us, it's the first link down below in the description. So 585 key level for calls, auto buy level for calls, key extended hour support that has not been tested, 589, also 590 to 591 key break and retest zone. Next break and retest zone for calls, 592 to 593. Next zone, 594, right? And then in terms above that, we're keeping an eye on one of the best levels for puts, 598.30. If we break above 598, go into the 600s. The next level is 600. Next level above that, if we break above 600, is 603. 603 is an auto buy level for puts. Iron 598 puts as well, right? That's your overall price ladder. If one of the levels reacts bullish, we go up to the next level. If one of the levels reacts bearish, we go down to the next level. I explained to you the most likely outcomes in terms of the put zones and the call zones. It's your job to not just blindly trade that in a sense. And if you want, you could just try to auto levels just to automatically get in. You could try that as well. But do not blindly trade the information in the zones expected to be bullish and bearish with confirmations. Don't blindly trade it, right? Use confirmations. Confirm if it's reacting as a reversal. Confirm if it's reacting as support or if it's reacting as a resistance. Break out and retest. Break down and retest. I mean, if you watched last night's fucking video, everyone in the fucking pre-market should have been saying that SPY's fucking bullish, because if you listened to what the fuck I said look for fucking 590 to break and react to support, and it was reacting as fucking resistance right fucking here. And then we had the floor for fucking hours with the green, red, fucking green bullish pattern. Then we had the bullish fucking breakout with the higher fucking support. So like, if you weren't bullish by fucking here, you're fucking lost. Don't fucking trade. Trading's just not for fucking you. If you weren't bullish by right here, it was so fucking simple. The instructions were so fucking simple. Like, if you weren't in fucking calls with us this fucking morning, you're fucking up. That's all on fucking you, man. Look in the fucking mirror. I give you the game plan. I tell you the market's going to 595.6. We go 8 for fucking 8. Do you understand? Not a single fucking person in this fucking planet is doing what the fuck we're doing. And we're literally giving you an opportunity to win non-fucking stop, even if you're not in the fucking group, to use the game plans, make fucking money, become self-sufficient, and then join if you'd like to join the group, right? But the point is, if you weren't in on this, you're fucking blind within the market. You're fucking lost. You should not be fucking trading. If you are not in the cheapest, lowest risk trades with the biggest percentage gains, the best fucking system in the market, if you're not in on this, what the fuck are you doing, man? Everything I fucking said. This was fucking resistance. I fucking told you, if we break above fucking 590, this is the fucking break. We're going to fucking fly to the magnet at 595 to 596. This is lower highs right here. You see everything I fucking said. The instructions were so fucking clear. If you just do what the fuck I said in yesterday's video, do it at the new levels, and just do this, all you have to fucking do is look for fucking resistance, 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 resistance. This is the drop. This is the lower highs. Bearish lower high, bearish lower high, bearish lower high. Now it's trying to form higher support. That's a battle. That's a battle between lower highs and higher support. Higher floor at this previous resistance, but it's still maintaining this previous resistance. But look, this is the breakout. And then if you're not fucking bullish by here, it's breaking out. Look at the higher floor. Green, red, green. It's holding for fucking hours. What the fuck did the SPY do when it formed a fucking green, red, green this morning? Green, red, green, push fucking higher. 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 Like, everything I fucking explained in the fucking instructions work to a fucking T. Do you think it's by accident that we're 8 for 8? Do You think it's by accident that we're the absolute fucking best? Do you think it's by accident that we bought fucking SPY calls at the fucking market open and made 100% and edits to win 3 fucking times? Losing is a personal fucking choice. If you want to fucking win, it's the first link down below within the fucking description.